Pero nakita mo ba yung chicks dun sa ano? Sa kabilang room? Ganda, di ba? Sino dun? Si Kitlala? Hindi. Pambihira.
Ano pangalan?
Parang ano eh, parang Dream?
Kinikilig ba yun?
Oo, Dream ako.
Pari si Adrian, no?
Asan?
Tuwing kita'y nakikita, ako'y natutunan. Parang ice cream na nabilad sa ilalim ng araw. Ano ba naman ang sikreto?
Ganyan talaga, no?
Sino?
Si Dream.
Oo.
Sasabi ko lang sa'yo kanina. Ba naman yan? Baka naman may number ka niyan. Baka pwedeng share mo sa akin.
Meron.
Sige ako na.
Ay, sandali, Dre. Alas 3 na pala.
Kung ganun,
Klase pa ako eh.
sige. Ingat!
Kayo mo ko. Kaya mo siya makalagpas. Ayo. Gawin na ba? Hello.
Sumo. Water.
Thank you.
Baka pumunta. May sasabihin sana ako sa'yo eh.
Ano yun?
Hindi ba kitang mayaya mamaya?
Saan?
Yan lang sa park.
Park? Anong gagawin natin doon?
Gusto ko itang makilala.
Ah?
Okay lang.
O sige ba?
Kahit 5 minutes lang ng buhay mo.
Anong oras?
Siguro mga 4 p.m.
4 p.m.? Okay.
Ay, wow. Cut.
I won't talk, I won't breathe, I won't move till you finally see that you belong with me. You might think I don't look, but deep inside the corner of my mind, I'm attached to you. I'm weak, it's true, 'cause I'm afraid to know the answer. Do you want me to? 'Cause my heart keeps falling faster. I've waited all my life to cross this line, to the only thing that's true. So I will not hide, it's time to try anything to be with you. All my life I've waited, this is true. You don't know what you do every time you walk into the room. I'm afraid to move. I'm weak, it's true. I'm just scared to know the ending. Do you see me too? Do you even know you met me? I've waited all my life to cross this line to the only thing that's true. So I will not hide. It's time to try anything to be with you. All my life I've waited. This is true. I know when I go, I'll be on my way to you. The way that's true. I've waited all my life to cross this line to the only thing that's true. So I will not hide. It's time to try anything to be with you. All my life I've waited. This is true.
Pre,
Oh,
tara.
nabasa niyo na?
Ligaga talaga yan. Nandiyan ka pa rin.
Tara.
Tara, bina tayo. Ano bang iisip mo doon? Dito lang talaga.